Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Prism versus Turnip. We'll explore the distinct roles these two very different items play. Prism, in a conceptual sense, helps us understand complex information through data analysis and visualization. On the other hand, the turnip is a humble root vegetable, providing essential nutrients and culinary versatility. Deciding which is better truly depends on your objective, whether it's gaining insights or nourishing your body. When we consider the prism of data analysis, its value lies in transforming raw, unstructured data into meaningful insights. These powerful tools allow businesses and researchers to identify trends, predict outcomes, and make data-driven decisions. They can process millions of data points, presenting them in clear, visual formats like charts and graphs, making complex information accessible and understandable for everyone. Now, let's turn our attention to the turnip. This versatile root vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a significant amount of vitamin C, dietary fiber, and various minerals. With only about 22 to 28 calories per 100 grams, it's a healthy addition to any diet. Both the crisp white root and the leafy green tops are edible, providing different textures and flavors for culinary uses. Ultimately, determining whether prism or turnip is better comes down to your specific requirements. If your goal is to extract knowledge from data, make strategic decisions, or visualize complex information, then the analytical power of Prism is your clear choice. However, if you seek a nutritious, versatile, and affordable food source for health and culinary enjoyment, the turnip stands out. Each offers distinct, invaluable benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.